दरम्यान रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसातर्फे मोफत नेत्र तपासणी मोबाईल व्हॅन सुरू करण्यात आली आहे। या व्हॅनचं लोकार्पणही मंगळवारी करण्यात आलं। यावेळी सर्वप्रथम उपसभापती मायकल लोबो यांची नेत्र तपासणी करण्यात आली।
पॉलिटिशियनाक विजन आसपाचें महत्वाचें आसा आनी आज तूं विजन चेक केल्लें आसा रोटरी क्लबाचें कितें सांगपाक सांगता?
रोटरी इंटरनॅशनल रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड आयडिया म्हणजे कितें हांगा अ क्लब विथ अ विजन म्हणूंक जाता। अ क्लब विथ अ विजन। सो there are a lot of clubs but I have seen after a long time a club who is really doing well and for the people, for the general people, सर्व सामान्य लोकांक हे म्हाका दिसता at the doorstep, service at the doorstep where eye checkup is concerned. So whatever is wrong with your eye, they will give you the result. And once you get the result, you can go and check yourself for म्हणजे कितें जाता केन्ना आमी इतले दुर्लक्ष करून घेता की आमचेच बॉडी चेकअप करपाक वा दोळे चेकअप करपाक आमचे कडेन टायम आसना। आनी एक खरें म्हणचे जाल्यार दिस इज द ट्रूथ, 80% जे आमचे गोंयचे लोक आहा तांकां टायम ना। ते इतले बिजी आसता की आपलेच बॉडी चेक करपाक टायम आसना। सो आयज रोटरी क्लब तुमच्या दाराकडे येवपाचो। They have started this in Mapsa. They have plans to go to wherever there is a Rotary Club. They will take it over there.
Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa,
all three states, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa. So it is a very big initiative, and I would like to thank the district governor and all of you, all the members, the president, the secretary, and all of them who have given this facility at Mapsa today, Rotary Club of Mapsa, and I think a lot of people will come over here to avail this facility. And I request also the people, especially from Mapsa and surroundings, to come here and avail this facility. And I am requesting them to take this all over Goa, especially to rural Goa. आमचे rural Goa जे आहा थिंगासर कांयच facility ना, म्हणजे खूबशे facility, especially as far as eyes are concerned, this facility is not there. So please take it to rural Goa and give this facility to the people of Goa. Thank you.